Hello, my name is Regenia Rawlinson. Today is action number 4, faith of the 7 actions to go from stuck to thriving. Faith is an essential ingredient in the journey of self-discovery and success. At its core, it begins with believing in yourself and trusting in what you are uniquely equipped to offer the world. To nurture that belief, you must learn to shut out the noise, the endless chatter of doubt, criticism, and comparison, and focus solely on the voice within. When you quiet the world around you, you give your heart the space to speak and guide you toward your purpose. For me, my first love was psychology. It fascinated me, drew me in, and inspired my curiosity about the human mind and behavior. But during my very first psychology class, my confidence was shaken. I began to doubt my abilities, questioning whether I had what it took to succeed. That doubt grew so strong that it derailed my original dream. I lost faith in myself and as a result did not complete my degree in psychology. Instead, I settled for a degree in education and counseling, still a meaningful path, but one that felt like a compromise. Looking back, I realized how much power I gave to my fear and to the opinions and expectations of others. I allowed external influences to dictate my choices and define my potential. But here's what I've learned. You cannot let others decide who you are or what you are capable of achieving. That power belongs to you alone. Each of us has been given a unique gift, something special that only we can offer to the world. But here's the key. You can only give the gift you've been given. You cannot pretend to be someone you're not or force yourself to deliver something that doesn't come from your authentic self. Trying to do so will only leave you feeling unfulfilled and disconnected from your purpose. So believe in your gift. Nurture it. Trust that it's enough. When you act from a place of authenticity and faith in yourself, you'll find the strength to accomplish whatever you set your heart and mind to do. Action number 4, faith to go from stuck to thriving. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you the next time. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel.